So this is what left after my croissant. Not much, but believe me, here was the croissant. Why you laugh, Sayan?
You distract my focus.
Oh, focus.
Never sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
How you doing, guys? Guess where we are? You have 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. And Winnie's with me. She's just preparing herself, you know, girls and stuff like this.
Right.
Okay, so if you don't know where we are, I'm gonna give you the tip. We are in Seminyak, and the place it looks like this. Oh, my hand is shake. So we are in the.
Actually, now we are in Seminyak, and then we just wanna have a coffee break today, and then yeah, because today is special day. Actually, today is Independence Day.
Independence Day, so happy
Indonesia.
Independence Day to every Indonesians who watching us, and to you, Winnie, because you are from Bali, right?
Yeah, so merdeka. So yes, now we are in Seminyak, and we decided to have a.
Okay, tell them where we are.
So we are in Monsieur Spoon.
Monsieur Spoon.
Monsieur Spoon.
Monsieur Spoon. Yeah, I will show you guys around, and of course we're gonna have a coffee. What I always gonna show you. That's a normal tradition for us already. Honey, what are you doing? We just arrived.
Working.
How is your new laptop, sayang?
Oh wow, this is so cool.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you, honey. It really works me a lot, and then my works really faster than usual.
I'm happy to hear that. Enjoy your cappuccino, yeah?
Thank you.
Well, so that's how it looks. The restaurant itself is the Monsieur Spoon in Seminyak Petit Dengan area. Winnie is busy working. Coffee is so good as always. I'm not the first time here, however, somebody asked us in the yesterday and today about if we can make a vlog over here. Why not? Of course, if it's not super expensive, so it's still in our budget. Sure, why not? You can comment below what you wanna see next or tomorrow, who knows. Just please not too super fancy places, alright guys? Guys, so Winnie is busy working as you saw. I decided to have a wee walk on the Seminyak street. As you see, some people are driving and it's not super quiet. However, at this time, it's 5:30, it's August, it's Independence Day. Last year at this time supposed to be the huge, extremely huge traffic, and as you can see, it's just normal traffic for Seminyak area is quiet, I could say. I will show you guys around. So basically today is the Independence Day, 75 years of independence of Indonesia after the Dutch, Netherlands, Holland, however you call that. And mostly tradition is as the people just going out, having dinner together somewhere and stuff like that. But in this year is definitely much more quiet than last year and previous years, as you can see. That's how is the situation in Seminyak. Most of the restaurants in Seminyak are open. I could say maybe not most, but 50%. However, mostly they are empty or half empty. It's not only the Livingstone is very busy restaurant. Actually, we went to Livingstone before and was actually super busy over there. The rest is just how it's in Monsieur, so like few people around. I will go to the main traffic junction, which is over there, and we will see how it's there.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
So basically that's how it looks like. I don't know, not much to say. I just gonna show you guys. As you saw, it's beautiful sunset, it's graphic how it is. I gonna go back to the Monsieur Spoon and I will see how is the Winnie. Hi honey, how are you?
Good.
How's your job?
Good.
Did you miss me?
Yes, I do. Where have you been?
Oh, I just in the corner and come back.
Oh, nice. he finished working, and then the Monsieur spoon actually closed earlier at 6:30.
6:30.
They have to close, so I have to leave. Alright, so I think that's all for today, our video, yeah? So happy Independence Day Indonesia!
And like always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT. See you tomorrow and something new tomorrow as always. See ya guys.
Bye!
No one ever sees